Hello everyone and welcome back to English Flow channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna. If you're drinking coffee, taking the bus, or still relaxing at home, you are in the right place.
And I'm David. We're very happy you're here with us today. We will keep the English simple and clear so you can listen, relax, and learn at the same time.
And before we start, we have a small YouTube favor. If you enjoy this episode, please like, subscribe to English Flow channel, and share it with a friend who wants to practice English too.
And leave a comment in English. Just one simple sentence is perfect. You can write, I'm where from there. And my favorite place in nature is
Great! Okay, David, you look very happy today. You have a big smile on your face. What's going on?
I am happy. I am feeling very relaxed today.
That is good news. Why are you so relaxed?
This morning I went for a long walk. I went to the park near my house.
That sounds lovely. Was it sunny?
It was perfect. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. It was a great start to the day.
I love that. And actually, David, that is perfect for our topic today.
Oh, really? What is our topic?
Today we are going to talk about spending time in nature, why nature is good for you, and how you can use nature to practice English.
Great topic. Nature is so important. It helps our body and our mind.
Yes, and we will learn some simple English words for outdoor activities too.
Perfect. Let's start with a question. When you were in the park, how did you feel before your walk?
Honestly, I was a little stressed.
Stressed? Why?
You know, work, messages, the busy city, the feeling that everything is fast. Sometimes my brain feels full.
I understand that completely. Modern life is very fast.
But after 10 minutes in the park, I felt different.
How did you feel?
I felt calm. The stress went down. It didn't disappear forever, but it became smaller.
That is the magic of nature. Nature is very good for our mental health.
Mental health is an important phrase. It means how our mind feels.
Exactly. Just like we exercise for our body, we need rest and fresh air for our mind.
When I hear the wind in the trees, I relax.
Me too. And there is a word for this calm feeling. It is called mindfulness.
Mindfulness is a big word, but the idea is simple. It means being in the moment, not thinking about tomorrow, not thinking about work, just being here now.
So if I look at a flower and I only think about the flower, that is mindfulness.
Yes, you are not checking your phone, you are not rushing, you are just noticing the flower.
That brings us to another important idea. Phones.
Oh yes, our phones. Many of us look at screens all day.
Work screen, phone screen, TV screen. Our eyes get tired and our brain gets tired.
And nature is a perfect place for a digital detox.
Digital detox means taking a break from technology.
Yes, when you go to a park or a beach, you can put your phone away, put it in your pocket or in your bag. Don't look at social media. Look at the sky.
The sky is more beautiful than social media.
It really is. Nature helps us reconnect with the real world.
The grass, the trees, the water, the clouds. It is simple, but it feels real.
Okay, so walking in the park is one activity. What else can we do in nature?
There are so many things. My favorite is hiking.
Hiking is a great word. Can you explain it in simple English?
Sure, hiking is like walking, but usually in the mountains or in the forest. It is a long walk.
Is it difficult?
Sometimes, if the hills are high, it can be hard. You need good shoes and you need water.
Good shoes are important. You don't want sore feet.
Exactly. I wear strong boots when I hike and I bring a backpack.
What do you put in your backpack?
Water, a small snack, and sometimes a map.
A map is smart. You don't want to get lost.
Yes, and the best part of hiking is the view.
The view means what you can see from the top, right?
Yes, when you reach the top of a hill and you look down, it can be beautiful.
And you feel proud because you did something hard.
Exactly. You climbed, you moved your body, you earned the view.
I like hiking, but I also like sitting and relaxing.
Then you will love picnics.
Yes, picnics are my favorite.
Of course, you love food.
I do. A picnic is the perfect afternoon. First, you need a big blanket for the grass.
A soft blanket, yes.
Then you need a picnic basket.
Classic. And what is inside your basket?
Simple food. Sandwiches with cheese and tomato, fruit like apples, grapes, maybe strawberries.
That sounds fresh.
And something cool to drink, like lemonade or iced tea.
And the best part is sitting in the sun, eating and maybe reading a book under a tree.
Yes, it is very relaxing.
But Anna, we must talk about a very important part of picnics.
Oh no, the ants?
The ants. They love picnics too. They want your sandwich.
I try to be nice to them. But yes, insects are part of nature.
True. If you're in their home, you have to say hello.
Hello, Mr. Ant. Please do not eat my strawberry.
Exactly. Okay, hiking and picnics are great. What about camping?
Camping is sleeping outside, right?
Yes, you sleep in a tent. A tent is a small house made of fabric.
I want to like camping, but I am a little scared of the dark. The forest can feel very dark at night.
And you hear noises. Hoot hoot, crunch crunch. It can be an owl, a rabbit, or maybe something bigger.
David, don't scare me.
Sorry, but camping can be very fun. You can make a campfire.
A campfire is so nice. You can sit around it and feel warm.
And you can look at the stars.
That is true. In the city, we don't see many stars because there are too many lights.
But in nature, the sky can be full of stars. It feels magical.
Maybe I will try camping one day if you come with me to protect me.
I will protect you. I promise.
Thank you. Another fun activity is biking.
Biking means riding a bicycle. Many parks have paths for bicycles.
It is good exercise and it is fast. You can see a lot of nature in a short time.
And it feels free. The wind in your hair, the open space.
Freedom is a great word for nature. You feel free.
Now let's connect this to English. Can nature help you learn English?
I think yes, 100%.
How?
First, nature is a great place to practice vocabulary.
Give us an example.
When you walk in the park, look around and name things in English. You can say tree, flower, bird, cloud, grass.
And you can make full sentences too. The sky is very blue today. The grass is soft. The wind is cold.
That is speaking practice, and it is easy because the things are right in front of you.
You don't need to invent a topic. Nature gives you the topic.
Exactly. Second, you can bring a notebook.
A notebook is great. Sit on a bench and write what you see.
I see a brown dog running. I see two children playing. I hear birds singing.
This is calm writing practice. No pressure, no screen.
And third, nature is great for social connections.
Social connections mean spending time with people, right?
Yes, sometimes cafes are loud and it is hard to hear.
But walking in nature is quieter. It is easier to talk.
And you don't need to look at each other all the time. You can walk side by side, which feels more comfortable for some people.
It can feel less stressful, less pressure.
Exactly. Now some listeners might think, I don't live near a big forest or mountains.
That's okay. Not everyone lives near a big natural place, but most places have something. A small park, a garden, a river, or even one tree on the street.
Yes, even one tree is nature. You can look at the leaves. You can watch the seasons change. Green in summer, orange in autumn.
You don't need a big trip. You just need to open your eyes and breathe.
And take a deep breath. Fresh air can change your mood.
Anna, I have a challenge for our listeners.
Ooh, I like challenges. What is it?
This week, go outside for 20 minutes. Put your phone in your pocket or leave it at home. No scrolling.
20 minutes is not long. It's easy to try.
And while you're outside, practice English. Name 5 things you see.
Tree, cloud, bird, rock, flower.
And if you want, add 1 sentence. Today I feel calm. Or, nature helps my mind.
That is a wonderful challenge. I will do it too.
Me too. Tomorrow I will go for another walk. Maybe I will go for a bike ride.
Nice. And wear your helmet.
I will. Safety first.
You know, talking about nature makes me want to go outside right now.
Me too. But we have to finish the episode first.
True, but we can plan a picnic soon.
Yes, a team picnic with cookies and hopefully no ants.
We will try. This was a really nice chat, David. I feel refreshed.
I am glad, Anna. It is good to remember we are part of nature. We are not robots.
No, we are people, and people need green spaces.
Before we go, quick recap. Nature helps mental health. It can be a digital detox, and it gives you activities like hiking, picnics, camping, and biking.
And it can help your English with vocabulary, speaking, and writing in a calm way.
And now, one last YouTube request. If you haven't already, like this episode, subscribe to English Flow channel, and share it with a friend you want to go outside with.
Yes, and please comment in English. I'm Prolak Schatz from Prolak Shogworks, and my favorite outdoor activity is Oldbox Shogs.
Don't worry about mistakes, just try. We can't wait to read your stories.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. Have a wonderful nature-filled week.
See you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye.